Hey there, I just want to show you the inside of Max Bounty Incentivized CPA Network. Um, as you can see, this is their CPA network as of right now, October 26, 2009. There's a section called Incentivized Selection. If I click on Show Only Campaigns that allow incentives, click Search Campaigns. And look, as you see, there's all these campaigns that show allow incentives. If you click on EPC, some of these like this offer is 450 a lead, 475 a lead, 350 a lead, 660 a lead. Let me see. Track block more countries. About the United States. If you load your survey site with just these offers right here, the ones that are approved in the United States, the ones show only campaigns that allow incentivized offers, if you load all these into your survey site, you should be good. Remember, this survey site is all about marketing. To be honest, you probably will need like 10, 15, or 20 of these populated in your survey site, and depending on your traffic, you could be making some good amount of money.